My life at MRB had been very eventful. Everything over here, from the academics to the people surrounding me and the faculty, was top tier and amazing. I had my best experiences here at this school. We had a lot of classes that were fun and interactive, and we participated in a lot of international projects that helped boost my confidence when it came to approaching more international institutions. Faculty of MRB has been really helpful throughout my academic journey. They were always available to me whenever I needed to ask questions or doubts. I remember during my study years, whenever I had difficulty when I was solving questions, even at home, I could always just contact my teachers and ask them for their help, which is why I never needed to take any sort of coaching or tuitions while I was studying here. I did it all independently with the help of my teachers. Everyday classes at MRB was just amazing. The experience with the teachers being my teachers were never very strict, but they always knew how to get their portion done and completed with the most information provided. The infrastructure is great. We had all the available facilities we needed to score well. We had our computers available. The library was always up to date with the books we needed and the electronic supplies. There was always Wi-Fi, so we could all do our papers and research right here at school. Our labs were also very well equipped with all the apparatus we always needed. And whenever we had free time, our free classes, we used to go on the fifth floor where there was all games and everything, and all those games like chess and carom and table tennis were provided to us. So it was never like I wanted to leave campus. I wanted to live here the entire time. My career guidance and placements were made so easy because of the teachers and faculty over here, especially Ms. Sheetal. She recommended me to one of the best agencies I could get in touch with to apply for my universities. And that made my process so much more easier because honestly, I had no idea how to apply and how to get my visa processed and everything. And all of those were taken care of by my school and the agency. So I got into the University of Auckland in New Zealand. I am studying biomedicine over there, a bachelor's of biomedicine. And I got a $10,000 scholarship from the New Zealand government for studying. So I'm excited to leave for my university, and I had such a great time here throughout the years I've studied here. And I'm so excited to come back and meet all of my juniors and become the best alumni they've had. Thank you.